High blood pressure, or hypertension, is a prevalent but serious condition that affects millions of people globally. Understanding the reasons behind it is crucial for managing and preventing this silent threat. Here are the top 5 reasons why we get high blood pressure. 1. Poor diet. A diet high in salt, fat, and cholesterol can significantly contribute to high blood pressure. Sodium, in particular, plays a major role. Consuming too much salt leads to water retention, which increases the volume of blood and subsequently raises the pressure on artery walls. Processed foods, fast foods, and many restaurant meals are often loaded with salt and unhealthy fats, making it essential to monitor and control dietary intake. 2. Lack of physical activity. A sedentary lifestyle is another significant factor in developing high blood pressure. Physical activity helps keep the heart and blood vessels in good condition. When you are inactive, your heart has to work harder to pump blood, leading to increased pressure in your arteries. Regular exercise strengthens the heart, reduces stress levels, and helps maintain a healthy weight, all of which are beneficial in managing blood pressure. 3. Obesity. Carrying excess weight puts additional strain on the heart and blood vessels, leading to higher blood pressure. Obesity often results from a combination of poor diet and lack of physical activity. Fat tissue requires oxygen and nutrients to survive, which means more blood vessels are needed to supply the extra tissue. This increases the workload on the heart, leading to higher blood pressure. 4. Stress. Chronic stress can contribute to high blood pressure. When you are stressed, your body produces a surge of hormones that temporarily increase blood pressure, by causing your heart to beat faster and your blood vessels to narrow. Over time, repeated episodes of stress can cause long-term increases in blood pressure. Additionally, stress can lead to unhealthy habits such as overeating, smoking, and alcohol consumption, which further exacerbate the problem. 5. Genetics. Genetics plays a significant role in the development of high blood pressure. If you have a family history of hypertension, you are more likely to develop it yourself. Genetic factors influence various bodily functions, including how your kidneys balance salt and water, how your body regulates blood pressure, and how your arteries react to changes in blood flow. While you can't change your genetic makeup, being aware of your family history can help you take proactive steps to manage your blood pressure through lifestyle changes and regular monitoring. Understanding these key reasons behind high blood pressure can empower you to make informed choices about your health. By addressing diet, physical activity, weight management, stress, and family history, you can take significant steps toward preventing and managing high blood pressure.